Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Look at our youth, guys. They are calling Malema a god. That Malema is Mudimu, uNkulunkulu. Just imagine. When I came across this clip, I remembered what Floyd Shivambu said. He said EFF is not a political party, but a cult. So if we see our youth behaving like this as if they are possessed, what are we supposed to think? And guys, I hope you've heard already that the name of Malema has been mentioned more than 7 times at the Madlanga Commission. He is connected with cartels, with dangerous people who are destroying this country. People who are involved in supplying powder ebulala youth South Africa. Kuma heist enzeka each and every week in South Africa. Kuma kidnappings. Kuma unalivings. Malema is connected with such people. How can we allow someone like that to lead our country? How can we call someone like that a leader? I know many names of politicians have been mentioned at the Madlanga Commission, but not more than the name of Malema. Malema's name is mentioned at the Madlanga Commission almost every day. He is associating and involved with cartels, abantu abadestroya in South Africa and the youth of South Africa. And Malema is recruiting youth in South Africa. Is making sure that youth South Africa iba useless. Akafuni isebenze. Umalema doesn't even care that all these kids that are following him are unemployed. They don't have a future. He doesn't care. All he cares about is foreigner and open borders so that their powder and their human trafficking, money laundering, and all these other things that they are doing will move freely from country to country. Yo, Malema's followers, you have to be very careful. I know all politicians are not clean, but what we are hearing about Malema, it's so scary. So guys, let's listen to one of the old clips of Floyd Shivambu.
It's not only we saying it, those comrades knew, we discussed it, and we reached the same conclusion that we are not being fair to society if we say that this comrade can lead this country. All of us agreed with the people who are leading EFF now. That is basically, that is the reality of the situation. The people who are leading EFF now, all of us were unanimous.
But don't forget that your friend, your best friend, is the only person that knows you more than your family members. Once you have a problem, you are quarreling with your friend, you must know that so many deep secrets about you will be revealed. Even your family members, even your parents will be shocked to hear that. Because no human being will know you more than your friend because you've been doing things together. There are so many things that you are sharing with your friend you can never share even with your own parents. That person knows you more than your parents. So that is why I believe what Shivambu is saying. And another reason why I believe Shivambu, because Malema, we all know Malema, he can't just keep quiet. He will come out and expose him as well. But he's not doing that. Ask yourself why. Ever since Floyd Shivambu left the EFF, he's been exposing Malema. He's been saying things about Malema. The Malema we know will not keep quiet. He will come out and expose Shivambu as well. But he's not doing that. Ask yourself why. Even a former youth president of the EFF said so many things about Malema. But Malema did not come out as the Malema we know to come out and fight back. The only thing Malema said about Shivambu is that he is a fool. He left the EFF and ran to the MK. He will come back. He will come back begging and all this, and I will accept him. That's the only thing Malema is saying. And Shivambu is busy exposing him, calling his political party a cult. And now I believe Shivambu because the way the youth that is following Julius Malema is behaving, it's like they are under the influence of something. How can they scream as if they are possessed? You are God, you are God. You are Umudimu, Umudimu. No, guys, something is not right. So, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section.